Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share and download custom designs on InZOI. So for example, you've done this design now of the person. Then you're going to click upload to canvas option. And now you will need to go ahead and verify your craft on ID. So you click additional account information. After that, you will need to log into your canvas account. If you don't have it, just sign up. Now after that, you will need to upload an image, take a stunning photo to be uploaded to the canvas. Then you're going to choose a preset. You enter the title, content, tags. After that, click upload. Now, once it was uploaded to canvas, you can simply go and download it just like so. Or you can click share button right there, copy the link and share it with others. And that's pretty much it. You can add anything you like from your game basically by clicking on the item and adding it to canvas and then downloading it or sharing it like so. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.